Hi, my name's Scott. Today we're looking over the Scan Reader Pen. Now this allows you to read different languages and so much more. I'm trying to see if it has a list of all the languages on the box, but I don't believe it does. But you got phonetic translation, text translation, offline scan, favorites, and intelligent recording. Okay, this is excellent for when you travel to different countries. Gives you a rechargeable cable. It is a Type C, so we know it's updated. This is what it looks like. I love the bigger screen. The last version had a smaller screen. You can also put a TF card in as well. You have your buttons on the top here. We're going to go ahead and power this on. Okay, once you enter your Wi-Fi information, it's going to bring you to the main page here. And this main page, you have text translation, text reader, photo translation. You have audio translation. You can record text. I'm not sure what this is. Favorites, dictionary, and settings. We're going to go over some settings here. Reset, upgrade, or update. We have the current, holding pen direction, fold line scan, display. You can change the display, volume rate, autoplay, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Okay. Dictionary, please scan. So we're going to do something quickly here to scan it. So this is for the dictionary. The richest. There we go. So I don't know if we would just wait here if something comes up. The richest.
Diphtheria.
Okay. So that thought it's a disease. Let's just do one word. So let's see if we can start right. All right, so
Perihelion.
okay. So we're still learning it. Let's go through the whole thing here. We're just gonna do the richest man. We're gonna tap it. So here we go. Richest. Just goes over some different stuff on there, which is just kind of interesting. Let's start with text translation. So here you can select. It's gonna be English, and we're gonna translate it into Chinese, Mandarin. Let's just do down here at the bottom. We're gonna do press and hold, and now we slide across. Okay. Now it's reading, it's doing its
The
thing.
Richest Man in Babylon Original Edition 7.
So it messed up a little bit, probably because we went too fast. And now we can translate it to the Chinese. So you tap it. It's a little delayed. So you just have to be patient. You tap the original.
The Richest Man in Babylon Original Edition 7.
And then translate. Again, it takes a little bit of time for it to do that. And again, just hold it up.
Let us go to Arcad this very day, Banser urged, also.
Sometimes it's faster.
就在今天，让我们去阿卡德。班瑟尔催促道。还有。
You can tap the star to favorite that saying if you want. Now we got text reader. So text, let's do settings here. You can append, replace, you can do the speed. You can go over here and so let's see.
Quote,
sentence.
Thou would ever.
Just
Thus.
so yeah, and that's just scanning. Then you can go under photo translation. Now this one we had a little trouble. We'll see if it's gonna work for us if we do this. You want to hold it as steady as you can. Now we're gonna check it, and now it's going to photo translate. Okay, so now it actually did very well. So sometimes it's gonna do good, sometimes it's gonna have some errors. So now we have the original. Here's the original text, and now here's the translated into Chinese, which is really cool. Okay, now let's go under this setting. This one we had the most trouble with, because you're supposed to long press the voice button to speak. Now for the voice button, press the plus sign, okay? Hi, my name is Scott.
Hi, my name is Stuck.
Okay, so there must be something because it's, let's see if we can do this a little better here. Okay, English. So it does have a little, translation problems. Okay, so this is please speak Chinese.
Okay, so this to speak Chinese. Okay.
Anyway, it's not perfect. Hello.
Hello.
And then you can change this. So if you tap up here, we can do Chinese. Let's do let's see. We'll just do traditional. And then we're gonna do English.
Hello.
Let's see what happens now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's where we've had some issues. So when you select what you want to hear it, testing.
测试.
So that should be, yeah. It does have some issues with connecting and staying connected, I've noticed. But now, as you can see, it said that in Chinese, traditional Chinese, and then, we spoke in American. So you can change that.
测试.
Remember, the first one is going to be the language that you want to speak in. Hello, how are you doing today? See, so sometimes we have that issue, which I'm not quite sure why. Hello, how are you doing today? So, yeah, a couple things. Sometimes it's great. Sometimes it's not. Yeah, so, not sure with that error, but that's, not perfect. And then, of course, you have recording. Under recording, if we press the record button on this side, so now it's recording, but also if we press this button with a little T, hello. So now we are recording and we are saying things right here for everyone to hear. I hope everyone is having a good day. And as you can see, it's saving it and it's translating it to the language that we had selected. So if you want to talk to someone, you can easily do that. And if they're talking in a different language, it will come back and you can hear it you can read it as well. Which is pretty cool. So overall, there are some bugs with it. And you can stop And then, of course, when you play it back,
So now it's recording, but also if we...
you have a recording in English. But yeah, it's got a couple bugs with it. Offline support for 13. Please click the plus add. Okay, so we're not sure what that is. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Again, a couple bugs. There's some things that, you know, are a little buggy, but it is really cool, and it allows you to travel to places that you normally couldn't. Remember to change by tapping at the top.